only. Okay? The past year, they placed in the top 2 positions at every competition. Yeah, you make some noise for that. Every competition, top 2 positions, every competition. As well as winning the Best Acapella at the Southern California Show Choir Invitational, which is considered the state championship. Yes. All that sums up in one word: awesome. They're awesome. They're incredible. They're fantastic. They're fabulous. You're going to hear them, and there's a lot of them too. So you're going to hear them. You're going to hear them, and if you guys are excited about hearing them, let me hear you say yeah. Yeah. No, I don't think you're that excited. If you're really excited about hearing them, let me hear you say oh yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I proudly present to you Out of the Blue.
Make sure that you've chosen the right person. It is essential that the company be a big one. And it should be at least big enough so that nobody knows exactly what anyone else is doing. Coffee break!
No coffee! I can't take my coffee break. My coffee break. My coffee break. If I can't take my coffee break. Gone is the sense of enterprise, all gone, and something within me dies.
No coffee!
No coffee! Coffee! No coffee! No coffee! Ah!
picture come back there. Thank you, Chris. Thank you very much.